Baked mussels. Prepare mustard, mayonnaise, grated cheeses, prepare a tray lined with aluminum foil for easy cleaning. Place all the mussels in the tray. Mix mayonnaise, mustard, black pepper, and salt together. Prepare the mussels. Spread the mixture on top of the mussels. Sprinkle grated cheeses over the mussels. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the mussels for 10 to 14 minutes. Once done, plate them and garnish with red chili peppers and sliced lemon. Enjoy! Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want more of my contents. Here are all my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.